Hello everyone, I am Ayan. I think you all have heard the name of MS Word, that is Microsoft Word. If not, then you will learn a lot about Microsoft Word in this video. So here it is, what you will learn in this video, and here is the possible outcomes. So let's start.
Hello, so today we are going to learn about word processor. I will start off by giving an introduction to word processor. So word processor is a software that performs the task of composing, editing, formatting, printing. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. It is also called word processing or MS Word in short. And what is the main purpose of MS Word? It allows the users to type, edit, format, save, print, and compose documents. MS Word is considered as the most widely used word processing software in the world. Now, I would like you to follow the arrow for a better understanding of all the graphic illustrations present on MS Word. So, as you can see in this bar, the main tools present are maximize, minimize, and close button options. This entire area is known as the ribbon. This is the scroll bar. Here, the zoom in and zoom out options are present. The focus area shows the preview of your document before printing or how the document will look after printing. Here, the number of pages are contained 1 out of 1 pages, as right now only one page is present, then the number of words and the language it is in. Now, as you can see, this is the menu which contains all the headings such as home, insert, draw, design, layout, references, the mailing, review, and the view options. Now I would like to introduce you to the components of MS Word, that are the quick access toolbar that contains the options of autosave, home, save, and undoing a certain activity. I would like to tell you all how to create and save a document. A document can be created by simply opening MS Word and inputting the required data. Now, to save a document, we need to go on the option of File, present at the top. We need to click on the File option. Then we need to, two options will appear, Save and Save As. For initially saving the document, we need to click on Save As. A dialog box will appear where we need to give the document a name. For example, I have given the name of word processor here. You need to choose the location where you wish to save it. For example, I have chosen to save it on my desktop. You can choose the file format if you wish to save it in the Word format or in the PDF format or any other as per your requirements. You can simply click on save and the document shall be saved on your desktop.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about editing text. Adding, removing, and rearranging text in a document is called text editing. So, in text editing, we will learn about inserting and deleting text, moving or copying text, and undo and redo changes. So, in inserting text, adding a new text in a document is called inserting text. Like if I write that my name is Simranjeet Kaur. This is known as inserting text. So if I write like my and then if I have to go to the next word, we need to give a space. When you click the space bar and after that you can write the other word, that is name, then you will again click on space bar and you will do the procedure as follows. For going to the next line, we need to press enter and then you can go to the next line. Now you can see that there is a blue line below that word core. So if we click on the right click on the mouse, we can have the options which can uh, which can correct our grammar. Like here, if I click on this, then it is done. Here also you can see that there is a red line because I have put that word core with small k. I have to put it with a capital K. So again we will just select it and then we will change it. So this is inserting text. Now removing text in a document is called deleting text. We can remove the document by simply pressing the backspace button like this, or we can do it by cutting the document. Like if we select this and then we click on the right click of the mouse and then select cut, we can cut the document. So this is all about inserting and deleting the text. So the next topic is moving or copying text. Moving means to change the position of the text from one location to the other in a document. We can move the text in two ways. There is drag and drop method and cut and paste method. So if we if we click on the left click of the mouse and then drag it, we can select the word which we want to cut, and then you can click on the right side of the mouse and then you can either cut it or you can copy it. So for moving the document we need to cut it, so I will click on cut. And then if you want to paste it here, so you just need to put the cursor here and then click on the right side of the mouse and then you can see paste option, so we can paste it here. So the text is now here. Now if we want to drag and drop it, the drag and drop methods is like this. If we have to select the word, then we just need to hold it and take it wherever we want. So if I want to take it here and then I will release it, so the document is here again. This is moving the text. And for copying the text, we can copy means to make a duplicate copy of the text to a new location of the document. So for copying text, you just need to select the word and then you need to right click of your mouse and then you can see here is the option of copy. So if we click it, the item is copied, and if you want to paste it here, you just need to take the cursor down, click here, and then again with the right click you can see paste options, so you can paste it here. So this is the way we can paste it. Now undo and redo changes. Undo feature is used when we need to discard the last change which we have made in the document. So for this we just need to select the document and then we need to press Ctrl plus Z. So here we have used the undo feature, and a redo feature is the complete opposite of that. It means to again redo, that is used to reserve the undo action. So for this we just need to press Ctrl plus Y. So again our word is back. This is the way we can undo and redo the words in MS Word. Now the next topic is text style. So here you can see there are many options available. This B indicates bold. It will make our text bold. This indicates italic, that is italize your text, and this means underline. U means underline. This will underline your text. When you need to make the text bold, you just need to select the sentence and then click on this B button. And now you can see that the text is bold. For making it italic, you can just need to again select the word and press I. So you can see this is a little slanted now. For underlining, you just need to do the same. Select the document and click on U. So you can underline the document like this. There are various forms, like if you can change it as per your convenience. There are many options available. For making the text look bigger, you just need to select the document and then you can adjust it here. You can make it big or small, or you can just click this and you can see the numbers here. Whichever number you like, you can click on it and you can see now the text is big. Now the font type. For font type, you just need to select the document again, and here you can see many font options available. Just click on this arrow and then you can see there are many type of font available. You can use any one which you like. I will use this Algerian one. So you can see that that font has been changed. Now for the document color, you can see here are many designs available. You can choose whatever you want. You just need to select the document and then click it here. For color, you can also use this. This will highlight the document. You just need to select it and then you just need to click whichever color you like from here. If you do not want to put any color, you can again select the document and put no color, like this. Again, for coloring the text, you can just select the document and then click on whichever color you want. If you want the standard colors, they are available here. If you want the theme colors, they are available here. Like you can see now, it has changed to orange color. If you want a color which is very different from the standard colors, you can go to the more color option and then you can choose whichever color you like. Wherever you just need to drag it, and whichever color you like, just wait, release it and then click OK. So it's done. So this is all about editing text and the font size and color and all. For a paragraph, you just need to write a paragraph like so. I have already written a paragraph, so I will just paste it here. So this is the paragraph. For formatting the paragraph, you can see here there are 3 to 4 options available near the inside the paragraph box. So if you want to make it like this, which will be equal from this side, the left side, so you can click on this. If you want that your paragraph should be in the middle of the page, you can just select the document and click here. So you can see now that it is in the middle of the page. For just start if you want that this side, the right side of the document is aligned, so you can click this one. This will help you to align the document from the right side. And if you want that both the sides, that is the left side and the right side, should be equal, then you can again select the document and then click this one. This will make it equal from both the sides. You can adjust the page size like this by clicking the minus button or the plus button, whichever you like. So this was all for editing text and paragraph formatting. Thank you.
Hello everyone, here we will learn a bit more in MS Word. Previously you have learned about the font size, about the text size, about the text color, about the text style, etc. Here we will learn some different features in MS Word. Firstly I am writing a text that my name is Ayan. Okay. Now we will see what is header and footer. Okay. Firstly I am selecting it. I am going to insert. Here you can see in insert a header option and the footer option. If you select header, there will be a different option that you want blank header or you want alphabetical header. I am choosing blank header. Generally header means you are adding a heading to a text. Okay, so here I am adding like this my name. Okay, my name. This is done. Okay, that means the heading of the text is my name. This is called header, and I am here. From here you can close the header. Okay, close header and footer, there is an option. Okay, I am closing. Now again you go in insert, you can see option footer. If you choose footer, there will be blank footer and other options too. Here I am choosing blank footer. Generally footer means you are in the end of the page. See, this is the starting of the page and this is the end of the page. You can add page numbers and many other things in footer, like you can add some notes or other things also. Like this is the first page, so I am adding one in here. So you can also close from here the footer. Okay, now we'll learn how to add page number. Okay, and first here see, here there is a heading called my name that I have added when I was adding header. Okay, now we learn how to add page numbers generally. Okay, first come on in insert. Here you can see a page number option. Okay, beside footer, if you apply here, if you select this, there will be option that you want the page number in top of the page or bottom of the page, etc. Let's first assume that you want it at the top of the page. If you select top of the page, there is another option if you want the page number to left side or to the middle or to the right side, etc. Let's assume you want it in the middle. If you click here, you can see that there is a page number 1 already added in the upper section of the page. Okay, okay, now I am closing this. Okay, now we will learn about the subscript and superscript. Here you can see I am in the home section. Here is an option beside underline. There is a x2 and x square. You can see here, and the x2, that is the 2 written below the line, that is called subscript, and the x squared kind of thing, that is called superscript. Wait, generally what does it mean? Subscript means you are writing something like a. Okay, and if you add subscript and you add 1, that means there is a1. Okay, if you add 4, that is a4. And superscript means if you are doing a square of a thing, like you are doing 2, you add superscript. Now we are doing square like this. Now remove it, is equal to 4. That means 2 square is equal to 4. Generally this kind of symbols are used in these cases. Okay, so now we will learn about how to insert symbols. Here you can see insert option. You go here and you can see option shapes. Okay, here you can see different type of shapes. Suppose you want a circle, you can select from here, and see there is a circle. Okay, now you can add different colors to the circle from here. In the format section you can add different colors, black, blue, red. Okay, also you can add many other symbols. Here you can see, suppose you want to add a rectangle. Okay, you can select here. Fine, now here it is a rectangle. You can add different colors to the rectangle. So okay, you have already learned how to insert different type of shapes, how to make them colorful. Okay, now we'll learn about if you are writing a big essay or paragraph, there may be possibility that there is a grammatical mistake or spelling mistake. Now we will see how to avoid those, how to make them correct, fully correct sentence. Okay, now wait, I'm writing something that my name is Ayan. In the next line, I am 19 years old. Now I'm interchanging the A and E position. Now this is a wrong spelling. You see, there is a years kind of word, that should be years. Okay, now you can go in the review section. Here you can see a option spelling and grammar, that will determine if your written spelling is correct or wrong. You select here and you see here it is showing that there is a mistake in years, that should be years. Okay, so you can do it correct from here, and now years change. Okay, fine, now it's absolutely correct. See here, I am 19 years old. In this way, if you are writing a big paragraph, you can go to the review section, spelling and grammar. If you select here, it will show that if there is a mistake or not. Okay, okay, so now we will learn a little bit more about MS Word. Firstly, we will start by inserting picture. Okay, how to insert picture in MS Word? Here you can see insert option, go there. Here you can see there are many options like picture, clipboard. Okay, if you click on picture, now you can select picture from your folder on computer, from any folder on your computer. Like your picture is on C disk, you select C disk, and whatever your picture is, you select this, and see this, something like that, the picture has come here. Okay, now I'm deleting it, I'm showing another thing. Now again go to the insert. Here you can see option of clipboard. If you click here, you can see on the right side there is a tab, there is something like that. Okay, if you type here something like if you type sun, sun, and search for it, now see it will give a picture of sun. Okay, you can see here. Okay, see here there are many pictures of sun. It generally what does, it does is select picture from directly web. Okay, now in this way you can add this picture here too. Okay, see this is the sun, this is the picture of a sun. Okay, now I am deleting this. Okay, so in this way you can insert picture on your Word file, or whatever picture you want you can add from here. Okay, okay, so now we will learn a very interesting thing. Okay, firstly I am writing something here, that my name is Ayan. Next line, I am 19 years old. Next line, I am from West Bengal. Okay, it's done. Now it's a normally 3 line. Okay, if you make them a little bit interesting, you can add something here. You can see here is the option numbering, and beside this there is an option bullet. If you want to add bullets, you can select here. You can select on bullet and see here already bullet added. If you want to add bullet before all the lines, you select this, go to the bullet. Also you can select the bullets if you want as your wish. Let's assume you want this one or this one. Let's assume you want this one. So see, the bullets are added before the lines. Okay, and you can also add, here is a number, you can see it's added 1 2 3. This is a number. You can select from here whether you will be adding ABC or Roman 1 2 C or small ABC or 1 2 3 4 like that. Okay, so it's a very interesting feature of Word. Okay, so now we learn how to make your page interesting or attractive. Okay, first I am writing that my name is Ayan. Okay, now let's assume you want to make this page very interesting and attractive to everyone. Here you can see option page layout. Okay, first go here. Now you can see there is option watermark, page color and page border. If you want to simply make the full page color, then you select on page color and you select the color you want to make. Like if you want this green, you can select that. If you want red, it's a very deep color. Okay, if you want blue, you can select that. Okay, this makes the full page as same color. And let's assume you want some page borders. You go to the page border. Here you can see there are different options available, different types of page borders are available. You select any one, you select this one. Okay, and you apply this. Now see, you can see that the full page is now bordered. Okay, if you want to remove this, you can simply go in page border, select none, and okay, now it's gone. And let's assume you want to do watermark. Now select on watermark. Here you can see custom watermark. Go here. Here you can see picture watermark. Here you can see text watermark. Text watermark means it will text the whatever you want. Like I am writing AYAN. So you can see Ayan on the page. Okay, I am applying. Okay, it's done. See here, it's Ayan. It's a watermark added on the page named Ayan. Okay, it's a very interesting features. Let's assume another thing. You want line numbers. Okay, automatic line numbers. This will give you a option for automatic line numbers. Select on line numbers, continuous. Now you write something that my name is Ayan. Now if you go to the next line, see, it automatically skips line number, that line number 2 comes. If you go to the next line, it will give 3, it will go to the next line, it will give 4. In this way it gives a feature, very interesting feature. Okay, so here we will learn a very interesting thing, that is tables. How to insert a table, how to delete a table, how to delete rows and column of the table, in those things. Okay, so first to insert a table, you have to go to the insert option. Now I am in the insert option. You can see option table. Select on this, and here you can select as number of rows or number of columns from here. Let's assume you want 5 rows and 5 columns. Now here see, there are 5 rows and 5 columns. Okay, now let's assume you want to delete now we want to add a number of rows or number of columns. Okay, then you have to go to the layout section. Here you can see table tools. Here you can see layout. It will automatically come when you insert a table, so don't worry about it. Before you can't see this, but after inserting a table it will automatically come. So I am going to the layout, and here you can see There is an option insert above, insert below, insert left and insert right, that you want to do which of these. Okay, let's assume you want to insert a row on the right. I think insert right. Now you can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 6, there are 6 rows and columns are 5. Okay, now let's assume you want to add another row. Insert right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now you have 7 rows and 5 columns. Now I am adding insert below, so it's added already in the double, that was previously 5 and now it's 10, because the all column was, the all 5 column was selected, that is why it added another 5 column. Okay, now if you want to delete those 5 column, you have to select, now delete. Okay, in this way you can delete the whole table also. Now let's assume you want to delete this portion, this last row. Select, delete. Okay, you can simply select and make backspace. Okay, now if you want to merge cell, merge or split cell is another feature available here. Merge means it will make what should I say, it will make all tables together. If you want to merge the full table, okay, let's assume if you want to merge the first 3 column. Now if you want, see what happens, merge. Okay, now see, the last 2 columns are here but the first 3 columns are merged. That means the first 3 columns are made in one column. Okay, now you can see there are total 3 columns. In this way you can also split tables. Okay, so this was the overview of table. How to insert those, how to delete those, how to delete a row, how to delete a column, how to merge and split. Okay. Okay, so now we will learn about print and what is print preview. Okay, first I am writing here that my name is Ayan. Now I am going to the second page. This is the second page. I am writing I am 19 years old. Okay, now suppose you want to print these two documents, I mean these 2 pages. Okay, then you have to go to the office tools, that is on the upper left section. Select here, you can see option print. Now you have to select on print preview. Now see, it's showing that how your paper will look like after printing. You can select here one page, that means that is showing one page and another page will be below this. And if you select 2 pages, that will show you 2 pages simultaneously. Okay, now you want to print this. For this you have to go to the print option, select on print option. You can see here the printer name. Currently I am having no printer. If you have printer, you have to select the printer name from here, and these are the other settings, like this is the page range. You want to print all pages. That is the document, so it's document, print all pages in range. Here you can see there is an option odd pages and even pages. Odd pages means it will print first page, third page, fifth page, and even pages means it will print second page, fourth page, and that's all. Here I am selecting all pages and it's pages per sheet 1 pages, and if you select OK here, then it will print your document on A4 size paper, and that's the printed paper. Okay, so that was all about how to print a document and print preview. So okay, thank you all.
Come up here and you see all these boxes get highlighted. I come up to the superscript button. It's an X with a square. That's the superscript button. It raises the cursor. So I click on that and the cursor is raised. Now when I type in 2, it raises that up. So I have X to the second power. Now the cursor is still up there. If I type in, it's still going to be in the superscript position. So I have to click on the superscript button again to bring my cursor down. Plus y squared. To get into the square, I have to go back up to the superscript button. It raises the cursor. I hit square. Now I'm still up there. I have to push the button again to lower it. All that button does is toggle it up or down the cursor. Equals 25. So this is typing in an equation, x squared plus y squared equals 25. Now, there's another way of doing this. We're going to insert an equation box. We're going to insert an equation box. So first, I'm going to hit insert. Then to the far right, equation. If you click on the little arrow, it says insert new equation. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm inserting a new equation. Now, I want to type in the exact same thing. X squared plus y squared equals 25. Well, in this box, they give us a lot of stuff up here. Click on the fraction box up here and click on the arrow. It gives us different ways of typing in fractions. You see, it gives us all these different methods, different styles of typing in a fraction. You can go to script, and it gives us superscript, subscript, and different symbols or different setups. It gives us square roots. And then there's other stuff that we don't use. Brackets maybe we might use. So I'm going to type in x squared plus y squared equals 25. In the script button, I want to go to superscript. If I click on that, I get two boxes that show up. I'm going to just type in the first box. I'm clicking in the first box and typing in x. Then I'm clicking in the second box and typing in square. I'm just going to move my arrow over button, my arrow right button over, and it brought my cursor down. I'm going to type in plus. Then I want to type in y square. If you hit y white right now, it's okay, but it's best if you're going to type in y square, go up to the script button and click on the superscript because it gives you two boxes and you're going to type them both in. Now you can click on the box or use your arrow buttons to move and toggle back and forth. Y squared then equals 25. So I have x squared plus y squared equals 25. Click outside of the box and you'll see we have our equation. Now I'm going to click back in the box and I want to move my equation to the left. So if I go to home, there's justifications here. It tells you where you're moving your box. So I clicked in the box, and I'm going to justify to the right. Align my text to the left, I mean. If I click on that, I aligned my text to the left. Okay, now let's get crazy. We're going to type in the quadratic formula. So that's got fractions and square roots and everything. We're going to insert equation, insert new equation, and the quadratic equation starts off by saying x equals, and then there's a fraction. So I'm coming up to fraction, clicking on the arrow box, and I get options. I want this standard fraction. Negative b. Then there's a plus or minus next. If you know the quadratic formula, it's negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. So I need a plus or minus symbol. You can come over here. These are extra symbols that you can use, and you can go up or down and see all the different math symbols. I want the plus or minus. I just happen to have it in the front. Plus or minus. Now I want a square root symbol. I come up to my radical, and I pick which square root I want. I want the standard square root button. And in here, now, I have square root b squared minus 4ac. If I want b squared, I have to do the script. And I get b squared. And then I can just type in minus 4 times a times c. And it's all divided by 2a.